So you can see that this is the hypermetropic eye. Its object at the near point of hypermetropic eye is this, means that the least distance of distinct vision is more than 25 for the hypometropic eye, so that to have a clear image formed at the retina. Now, normally, what is the cause of what is this defect is that when we are looking at the things at the normal 25 centimeter, the least distance of distinct vision, keeping the object at the near point. For instance, we are reading a book, the focal length, the image is formed behind the retina in this. So when the image is formed behind the retina, the uh, image seem blurred and we are unable to see that object clearly. So how we are going to remove that defect? And what is the cause of this defect? The cause of this defect is either eyeball shrinks or the lens become thin, and hence the focal length increases. Hence, blur images form behind the retina. Now you can see that they might either both can be happened, or maybe one of this thing can happen, that the lens become weak. It is unable to converge. Its focal length become too thick to converge properly. So its focal length increases and the image is formed behind the retina. And second thing may have happened that the eyeball become too short. Some way the eyeball is spherical and it becomes the eyeball shrinks. So the lens is correct. It makes the image on the right place, but because of the eyeball that shrinks, so the image is formed behind the retina. This is the cause of this defect. Now, how we are going to do the correction? Now, obviously for this we are going to use glasses. uh, Now which type of a lens should be used in the glass? So for the correction of hypermetropic eye, that is the long sightedness, we are going to use convex lens, since the image is forming behind the retina. So it means we need the rays should we need another convex lens to converge it more, so that the focal length decreases and the image is formed on the retina, not behind the retina. The So this is what the ray diagrams of your uh, hydromyopic eye. Now, what is myopia or short-sightedness? The definition is, it is the defect of human eye in which person can see nearby objects clearly, but unable to see the distinct object, that is far away objects. Now, for this is the myopic eye. The far point is less than infinity. The far point is very far, but in this case the far point is less than infinity. So what is this defect is, uh, the objects from the infinity, the parallel rays are coming after passing through the eye lens and the cornea, they converges, and they converges not on the retina but in front of the retina. So the image is not formed on the retina. We are unable to see the distinct image and we just see the blur image of that. Now, what is the cause of it? The cause of this defect is either eyeball elongates or the lens become thick, hence the focal length decreases. As so the blur image is formed in front of the retina. Now you can see either lens become too strong, means lens become thick, and thick lens have a shorter focal length. So instead of converging it on the retina, they converge it before the retina. Or maybe the eyeball uh, is too long, it elongates, and the lens is correct, it makes the image on the right place, but since the eyeball elongates, to again the image is formed in front of the retina, or maybe both can happen to the eye. But how this defect is corrected? So this defect is because the image is forming in front of the retina and there is the focal length becomes short. So in order to increase the focal length, we must need a diverging lens. So the diverging lens is used. A concave lens is a diverging lens to correct myopia, and you can see that if the diverging lens is placed, it first diverge the ray further, and then after diverging it converges. In this way the focal length is increased and the sharp image is formed on the retina, and we are able to do that. uh, we are able to do this. Okay, now just to support, just to make clear concept, I will show you a video on I will show you a video just to clear your concept more. Okay, now. Okay, now the defects of vision and their corrections. The eye may gradually lose power of its accommodation. Accommodation means that correct lens is correct and the muscles are correct so that they can accommodate whatever the changes according to far and near sightedness. Defect. So what is the first defect? That is your myopia or nearsightedness, hypermetropia or farsightedness or longsightedness, and third is presbyopia. Now these all these defects can be used by using different type of lens, maybe a double convex lens, concave lens, plano convex lens or other. Now what is myopia? Light from the distant object arriving at the eyelids converged at a point in front of the retina. Now you can see that this is forming in front of the retina, and this defect is called nearsightedness, means they are able to see the near object, but far objects are unclear. Now, in case obviously the normal eye, in the normal eye always the images form on the retina, but in the myopic eye this doesn't happen, it is forming in front of the retina. Now how to do the correction of that? How we are going to do correction? Means that we have to increase the focal length. For increasing the focal length, we need a diverging mirror. It first diverges the ray and the diverged ray, and then it converges so that the sharp images form on the retina. The next is hypermetropia. Now you can see that in the hypermetropia, the images formed behind the retina. Now over here you can see the images forming. Again a blur image is obtained and we are unable to see the distinct sharp image. For the normal eye, again the image has to be on the retina to have a distinct image, so that we can see a sharp image. And in hypermetropic eye, what happened is that the image is forming behind the retina. So this is your long sightedness. We are unable to see the far near objects clearly. So in order to, we have to reduce the focal length so the images form on the retina. A convergent convex lens is used, so it converges first, then again it converges, and that is we are able to see that. So this is about the defect of vision and the ray diagram, and of the two main defect of the human vision. Obviously there are more, but for our SLOs we are going to do that these two defects. So I okay, then it is Allah Hafiz.